Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Um, I'll be analyzing Gbpusd, right? And I'll be doing a top-down analysis. So I'll be starting from the weekly time frame, right? On my screen now you can see that I already mapped out my recent high and my recent low. But where do we start from? Okay, so we can see that this low broke this recent lows, and that makes it our most recent low, right? And this is our most recent high as well. Okay, so what do we see? Let me zoom out. What do we see? So generally, we are in a downtrend. Yes, we are in a downtrend, and yes, we're in a downtrend. What is price currently doing? Price is trying to go bullish. Let's see. So when we can consider this market bullish, when price breaks this high, and further breaks this high, right? So currently we are bearish, but from what I see here, I see price trying to buy. And okay, so I'd say that this could pass for an inverse head and shoulder, right? In the sense that this is the head, inverse head, and these are the inverse shoulders. And these inverse shoulders are also very strong zones, because price had retested this area in recent times. So I'm just going to map this out. Okay, price has retested this area in recent times. So yes, we have our shoulder. Now if we look further, we would see that yes, price has retested this shoulder. And also here, if you look very closely, you see that a change of character has happened. That's a break of structure to the upside, right? So this used to be like our high, right? Our recent high, but price broke it higher. And this means that in this sphere, right, in this sphere, price has done a change of character, and price has come down to our shoulder for a retest. And what I'm looking out for now is buys up to this lower high over here. Let me map this out. I'll map this out as my lower high. That means that I expect price to come to this region at least, right? At least before it does any other thing. I believe that price will come to this region. Yeah. So like I said, I'll be doing a top-down analysis, but I'm currently on the weekly time frame. So what I can deduce from my screen right now is in the short term, we are in an uptrend. Let me zoom in. We are in an uptrend. Price has done its retest on the shoulder. Although if I was a swing trader, I would hold on for price to do its thing, to come back to this region or somewhere around this region before I enter for buys up to this point. Okay, this is the weekly time frame, so this is a lot of pips. But as a swing trader, if I was a swing trader, I would wait for price to come to this region before I enter for buys up to this point, right? So now on the weekly time frame, we can say that price is currently bullish. Okay, price is currently bullish. Now let me dive down to the daily time frame and let's see what the daily time frame has for us. So on the daily time frame, what do we have here? I think it's still pretty much the same thing, but it's just that it is clearer. We have more details to work with, right? So let me focus more on this area. Okay, like I said that if I was a swing trader, I'll be looking out for price to come down to this region, right, before I start to look out for buys. And that means that, or that could mean that it is possible to have shorts or sells down to this region, right? That's for short term as well. So now the long term would be bulls, would be buys from this region, right? But the short term now would be sells from this region. I hope this is clear. This is clear enough. And also why? Because it looks like price has retested this lower high here, and price has gotten to this lower high here and could be shorting, because it's not possible for price to just keep shooting like that. There will be retests or retracements. So I am from this daily time frame, I think price should retest this region before it finally goes bullish. But then let's see what we have on the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, so the thing is, the lower we go, the lower the time frame, the clearer it gets, right? Like each time frame gives you more insight to your analysis. So now it is obvious, a little more obvious, that price reacted to this strong zone. There's a strong zone here. I don't think I want to map that out right now, but there's a strong zone here. Let me map it out for clarity. There's a strong zone here that price is reacting to, or has reacted to, right? So that's, price has danced around this zone multiple times. So I'll be looking out for sells up to this region for short term. Now the overall is bullish up until 1.34, right? The overall is bullish, but I mean for the short term, I'll be looking out for sells down to this region before the final buys, right? Let me see, is there any other thing that I need to see? Although before I actually confirm these sells, before I confirm the sells to this point, I would wait for price to actually break this low, right? I would wait for price to break this low, do its retest, and then sell down before we enter for buys. That's if I was to sell this market now, what I want to see, what I'll be looking out for. Don't know if this is clear enough. Okay, if I was to sell this market, what I'll be looking out for would be sells down to this region that would break this recent low, okay, before I'll be able to confirm that price is really coming down here, which I'm actually looking out for, right? So I'm looking out for price to come down here, break these lows, do its retest, then I'll be looking out for sells down to this point. And I would also, once it gets to this region, I'll also look out for a break, right? I'll look for I'll look out for price to do its thing, do a change of character, and then break, and look out for entries to the upside. I don't know if that's explanatory enough. So what I'm currently looking out for at the moment, my current bias is I'm waiting for price to break this recent low. Okay, once price breaks this recent low, I'll know that okay, we've actually moved into the short term downtrend that we saw from the higher time frame, right? So once price comes to this region and breaks this low, I'll be looking out for retests around this region for sells. Okay, so I'll be looking out for price to come down to this region, break this low, do its retest, and then sell to our strong zone. Okay, yeah, I think that's it. On the 1 hour, what do we have currently? Okay, on the 1 hour, it looks like price is currently trying to do a downtrend, but let's see how it goes, right? Yeah, it's from my own point of view, because of course we have day traders, we have swing traders, and we have scalpers. But from my own point of view, I would wait. I would stick to the 4 hour time frame, right? I'll stick to the 4 hour time frame and wait for price to actually break this low. Oh, price broke this low already. But I'll wait for price to actually break this low, come for his retest, and then I enter for sales. I think that's it. Thank you, everyone. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.